Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of our small what are- of our small living room. Sorry. Everything is truly just regular, normal. I just have a normal living room, nothing fancy like LA. But if you like videos like this, go ahead and leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And again, everything will be linked down below. Alright guys, so we'll just go ahead and start. So this couch is from HomeZone and it is just a light gray sectional. It's not that comfortable, but it looks good. And this basket is from Target. If you have kids, I wouldn't recommend it because those little flurry things always fall off. And this is from Hobby Lobby. This actually comes with a set. And then I just have this diamond shelf, and this shelf is from TJ Maxx, I believe. It just adds a modern type of vibe to my house. And this little plant right here is from Hobby Lobby. I believe you can find it in the front. I just have this bookshelf from Walmart. I actually thought this bookshelf was going to be more wider and taller. And that candle is from TJ Maxx. The letter is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And this is my favorite plant of the house, and this is from TJ Maxx. And this plant is from Hobby Lobby. And this is from Hobby Lobby as well. And my Wi-Fi box. I have a lot of stuff from Hobby Lobby. And this is the front of my living room. I got these plants in flower pots, no, vases, sorry, from Target. And this is our off-centered fireplace that I really hate. But we just hung our TV, and I really think with us hanging our TV, it made it look better. And you've seen these before. And yeah, so right now I'm just showing y'all how I hide our cords. I just use the command strip things and I just tape them all around and hang extension cord, and it worked out for us. And yeah, the off-center fireplace. So this coffee table is from Target, and it came with that little scrape or whatever you want to call it in it. But I really do love this coffee table. It is really great quality. And I just have these little knickknacks on top. This is from the dollar store actually, and those coasters are from TJ Maxx. And then I just have this homebody book from Joanna Gaines. And I am surprised my Roku remote made it because usually it's always lost. So welcome to the party. And this coffee table actually does have two drawers that slide out, but I just want to show you this one because this one's organized. We just keep adapters and chargers and stuff in here. There's some headphones. And then this is my phone. It's just an iPhone 8 Plus, nothing special. And this is a book I am currently reading right now. If you want to take a screenshot, this book is amazing. It's actually changing my life. And I just have some a pen and a highlighter and sticky notes because I like to write in my books and stuff. And here I have a handy dandy chapstick. You always gotta keep those everywhere. I have them literally in every room in the house. So right here I just have this space. Well, there's a space under the coffee table, and that basket is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. So right here is the rug, and we just got this rug from Josh in Maine. I think it's a, there's my mom's feet. It's a collab with Wayfair. I don't know, check it out. It'll be linked down below though. So yeah guys, that is the end of this video, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you for watching.